Hi guys, here we've got iPhone 13 Pro Max, and let me show you how to activate LED notifications on this phone. So first of all, you need to reach Settings, then find and select Accessibility, Settings and then Accessibility, and here locate Audiovisual, so here it is. And at the bottom of the list you will notice LED flash for alerts, so if you would like to turn it on, just mark the switcher, and you can manage if you'd like to have this flash on silent mode, and if not, just unmark it. But I would like to apply it as well. And this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.